Hi there, I'm John Shields from Chesapeake Bites, and we are celebrating the year of the cabbage. And to do that, today, live right here, we're going to show you how to make a winter Colcannon. It's going to be delicious. Stay tuned. Well, we get ready to make some on-the-fly Colcannon. Colcannon is the national dish of Ireland. Right there, right in Ireland. And so it's a great winter thing because you got potatoes, which you can't get better in the winter. Cabbage, which you can find at the farmer's market. So it's the perfect winter thing for a local boy putting together ours. So how do you do it? Well, you start with mashed potatoes. So in here, we got the lovely potatoes. And you didn't see this part, but the potatoes we cut only like in half. I don't like to cut the potatoes small when you're cooking them. They absorb too much water and then it gets all nasty and mushy and then people will talk about you. So anyway, you want to cook the potatoes kind of in a larger form, and then we're getting them. If you have a big machine like this, we're making a lot of them. So George's making a whole ton of them. And just using a paddle with some good butter. You gotta have butter. Butter is a crucial component of Colcannon, as you'll see as we do this whole thing. So what else you putting in? Oh, that's roasted garlic.
Garlic.
Now, in Ireland, they never saw garlic before, but it's now in the markets, so they could do that. And then we have a combination here of some salt and pepper. And just in case I didn't tell you before, when you're cooking your potatoes in the water to get them done, you better put some salt in it. Otherwise, they'll have no flavor. Am I correct? No flavor. So now we're lovingly putting in some heavy cream. I know, it seems like too much. That's all right. It'll stick with you. It's the winter. Right now we're going through a deep freeze, so the heavy cream could work. Otherwise, just use whole milk. That'll be absolutely fine. So when you're doing your mashed potatoes, you can do them by hand, you can do them by this. We let it get kind of smooth, but you don't want to over whip them either. Otherwise, it ain't gonna be so good. So anyway, that's part one of Colcannon, and I'll be back in a second and we'll finish it up.